In this tutorial, I will show you how to get Instagram API key in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From your desktop, open any of the browser and go to the website developer.facebook.com. Here click on get started and log into your Facebook account. After this, here click on create app. Here set the name that should appear on your My Apps page. But keep it in mind that you cannot set Facebook or Instagram name. After this, type your email address, then click on next. Now from left side, click on others. Then from main page, click on other and then click on next. Now click on business, then click on next. Here click on create app. Now you have to enter your Facebook password. Then click on submit. Now in Instagram session, click on setup. Here from left side, click on app roles. Now click on roles. Now from main page, you have to click on add people. Here click on Instagram tester. Then in this search bar type the username of your Instagram account. Then select your account and then click on add. Now open new tab and log into your Instagram account. After this, from bottom left side, click on these lines, then click on settings. Now scroll down in settings section and click on website permission. Now from main page, click on tester invites. Here you will find this request. Just click on accept. Then go back to developers tab. Here from left side, click on Instagram. Then click on API top with Instagram login. Now from main page, click on generate access token. Here your Instagram account will be showing. Just click on generate token. Now log into your Instagram account. Then click on change. Now set up a professional account just by following the instructions. After setting up a professional account, this page will appear. You just have to click on allow. Now check this box. After this, your access token will appear. You can copy it by click on copy. Then click on done. This is your Instagram API key. So that's how you can get Instagram API key in just few easy steps.